Enteekateeka eno egenda kuteekebwangamu obukadde obuwerera ddala 30 buli mwaka era ng'Omukama oyo Nnyimba Kabamba Iguru Lukidi owookuna alaze obukulu bw'okulwanyisa enkozesa embi ey'eddagala mu bantu be.
As the PPS communicated earlier on in the meeting, healthcare is important, not just to myself but even to the Kingdom of Tooro regarding its subjects. And we have spearheaded several health camps annually every year before the Mpango. And obviously the health minister who is here, he has been at the helm of that, working hand in hand with the government of Uganda. And we have seen a lot of good results come out of those health camps.
Enteekateeka z'okussa omukono ku ndagaano ey'okukolaganira awamu n'ekitongole ky'ebyeddagala ziwedde, Omukama wa Tooro Nnyimba Kabamba Iguru Lukidi owookuna ategeezezza nga bwe bagenda okukolaganira awamu n'abakulembeze baabwe ku mitendera egy'enjawulo okubunyisa enjiri n'okuvvuunulira abantu byonna ebyetaagisa okumanya ku nkozesa entuufu ey'eddagala.
Although it has never gone smoothly, because obviously there are times when we find the HIV prevalence rate has gone up high. So as a cultural institution, we use now what we call our county chiefs to disseminate the information to the people on the ground, to educate them and to give them the right information or regarding testing, coming out, and if you are positive, you have to declare, all these sort of things. We have so many different programs that we do every year regarding that.
Endagaano eno eteereddwako omukono ow'ekitiinisa Stephen Kinjamoti ku lw'Obukama bwa Tooro ate Dr. Medard Bitekerezo ssentebe w'olukiiko olufuzi yataddeko omukono ku lw'ekitongole ekivunaanyizibwa ku mutindo gw'eddagala mu ggwanga era endagaano eno yakumala emyaka 5.
As we witness the signing of the memorandum of understanding between NDA and the Kingdom, it is indeed immeasurable to have you, Your Majesty, as a safe drug use champion. You are a significant unifying figure, and as the Omukama, you have further a role in guiding people with greater help NDA in fighting substance and drug abuse, and promoting herbal medicine research and development, and putting an end to drug hawking and all its associated risks, so that there is assurance that people of Tooro and the entire population of Uganda have access to safe and quality traditional and conventional medicines.
Okay.